Okay, so DWM.exe. Some of you probably have this virus. If you don't know what it is, it's a search hijacker. You get it, it basically takes control of your web browser, whether that be Firefox, Internet Explorer. You'll log on, you'll go to a search engine like Google or Yahoo, type something in, click a link, and you'll be sent to a different web page. You'll go to your settings and you'll be going to a proxy server that you never configured it to use. You try to change it back and it won't work. Now, this virus is a pain to remove. You need to know you have it to get rid of it because no antivirus identifies it. I've tried McAfee, Norton, AVG, Malwarebytes. None of them identify a computer as having this virus. You'll check Process Manager, right, just open up Task Manager and check it out, and it'll seem perfectly normal. Reason being, this virus uses the names of system files, so when you look at it in Process Manager, it doesn't really seem like anything out of the ordinary. So, you really need to know what you're looking for. If you do have this virus, you've probably tried, for at least as long as I did, to remove it. And you found that no matter what you do, it keeps coming back. Basically, this virus has multiple components, and if any of them are running, they will detect what's missing and download it from the network that you're on, which basically means if you have an internet connection, it will download itself into your computer and stop you from getting rid of it. Also, if you manage to successfully remove it before, but someone else logs on to the computer, you'll get the virus back. This virus installs itself for every user profile on your computer. So even if you get rid of it, someone else runs the computer, they still have it, it detects that it's missing from your user profile and downloads it from the internet. So it's really tough to get rid of. Now there's 4 components. There's DWM.exe, this will be in your app data folder. There will be like E11E.576 or something. It's just a random set of numbers and letters. Will also be in your app data folder. Under your app data Microsoft folder, you will have conhost.exe, and under your temp folder, you will have csrss.exe. Now these 4 components, okay, I'll annotate in their locations or put them in the description or something so you can see where they are. These 4 components are installed for every user. So in order to remove it, you reboot your computer into safe mode. If you don't know how to do this, you just restart it, and while it's booting up, you just keep pressing F8. You'll get to the boot menu, and then you just select safe mode and press enter. When your computer's in safe mode, only the core drivers will load. These viruses will not be running. You will not be connected to the internet unless you choose safe mode as networking, so they will not reinstall. Log in as an admin. This will basically give you the power to remove the virus for every user on a computer. You're then going to remove DWM.exe, E11E576, conhost.exe, csrss.exe from those folders. Like I said, I'm going to put them in the description or annotate them in. Now when you remove them, you'll want to go into every user folder and remove them from their app data and their temp folders, because if any users have this, it will reinstall as soon as that user runs. Okay, so now you've gotten rid of the virus, but you still try going onto your computer and you're still getting redirected, because when the virus takes over your web browser, it changes the settings and you have to change them back. So whether you're using Firefox, Internet Explorer, whatever, you're still being redirected even though you don't have the virus. This is just as easy as going into your settings, removing the proxy settings so you can go back onto your normal network, and that's it. Now, like I said, you need to remove this for every user. If you don't do that, it will come back, and a lot of videos do tell you to reboot in safe mode and remove components, but they don't tell you to remove them for every user. That's probably what's frustrating you about it. So after that, you should be good. If this video helped you out at all, please consider clicking that subscribe button, liking the video, donating to my PayPal, I don't know, do something nice. Peace.